Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to use AI to become a more effective and productive real estate agent. In this lecture, we will cover why AI is the biggest leverage point for agents, how to generate leads with personalized scripts, writing cold emails and DMs that convert, automating listing creation, improving client communication, building CRM-like workflows, using prompt chaining, creating market update content, building your personal AI system, and a complete action plan to implement everything. Why AI is the biggest leverage point for agents. Top agents spend up to 60% of their time on administrative work, writing emails, researching properties, creating listings, and following up with leads. This is not the highest value use of their time. AI eliminates most of this overhead. AI can write faster, research faster, and operate continuously without fatigue. An agent using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini effectively can perform the work of multiple assistants in a fraction of the time. As a result, agents who adopt AI are closing more deals with less effort. The gap between AI-enabled agents and those who are not using AI is increasing rapidly, creating a clear competitive advantage. Lead generation scripts that convert. Most outreach fails because it is generic. Buyers, sellers, and expired listings all require different messaging. AI allows you to create highly personalized scripts for each lead type. By providing specific details, such as property data, pricing history, or buyer preferences, you can generate outreach that speaks directly to the prospect's situation. Personalized messaging can increase response rates by 3 to 5 times. You should always generate multiple variations and test them to determine what performs best. Cold DM and email writing with AI. In outreach, the subject line determines whether your message gets opened. The first sentence determines whether it gets read. The call to action determines whether you get a response. You can generate multiple subject line options, strong opening hooks, and clear calls to action in seconds. By testing different subject lines and tracking performance, you can build a library of high-performing outreach messages tailored to your audience. Listing automation, from details to live in 10 minutes. Creating a full listing package used to take several hours. With AI, it can be done in minutes. By providing property details, you can generate an MLS description, social media captions, email campaigns, headlines, and feature lists in a single prompt. However, it is critical to review and personalize the output. AI should handle the heavy lifting, but the final version must reflect your voice, accuracy, and market knowledge. Client Communication Assistant. A significant portion of an agent's time is spent answering the same client questions repeatedly. AI can draft responses instantly for common scenarios such as contract updates, inspections, appraisals, and closing timelines. By defining your communication style, you can ensure that every response is consistent, professional, and aligned with your brand. This reduces response time from hours to minutes while maintaining quality. CRM-like workflows using AI. You do not need a complex CRM system to manage follow-ups effectively. AI can generate complete 30, 60, and 90-day nurture sequences for different lead types. Each touchpoint can be personalized based on the lead situation and provide real value, such as market updates, tips, or relevant insights. This approach keeps you top of mind without being overly aggressive or repetitive. Prompt chaining, connecting multiple AI steps. Prompt chaining allows you to connect multiple AI tasks into a single workflow. For example, you can start with a property analysis, then use that output to generate an offer strategy, and finally, convert that into a client-ready email. Each step builds on the previous one, creating a seamless process from raw data to final communication. This can save several hours per transaction. Market update content. Stay top of mind. Consistent market updates position you as a knowledgeable and reliable expert. AI allows you to quickly transform raw market data into professional content for email, social media, and text messages. By sharing insights regularly, you build trust, stay visible, and increase the likelihood of referrals and repeat business. Building your personal agent AI system. The most effective agents treat their prompts as valuable business assets. You should create a structured library of prompts organized by task, lead generation, listings, client communication, market updates, and strategy. Over time, refine these prompts based on performance and results. A well-developed prompt library becomes a long-term competitive advantage that improves with every transaction. Your Agent AI Action Plan. Start with one area and build gradually. This week, create your listing description template and use it on your next property. This month, develop a 90-day follow-up sequence for your key lead types. This quarter, build a complete prompt library that covers all repetitive tasks in your business. Continuously refine your prompts based on results and feedback. Agents who follow this process often save 10 to 15 hours per week within a few months, and reinvest that time into client relationships and business growth. Conclusion: real estate success is driven by how effectively you use your time, how well you communicate, and how consistently you generate opportunities. AI enhances each of these areas by removing inefficiencies and enabling data-driven decisions. Agents who adopt AI are not replacing their role, they are upgrading it. They work faster, communicate better, and operate with a level of precision that was not possible before. Thank you for watching.